Crush it with AI. Free money awaits. You want to make money every day? Of course you do. Who doesn't? The future is here and it's powered by AI. Forget grinding, let's talk about Smart Hustle. There's a free app, Mindsumo, that lets you tap into the power of AI and get paid. No joke, real money every single day. We're talking about using your phone, your brain, and a little AI magic to solve challenges for big companies. They need your insights, your creativity, and guess what? They're willing to pay for it. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about leveraging technology to create opportunities. Are you ready to level up? This isn't about luck. It's about taking control and making moves. It's about using the tools available to create the life you want. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of Mindsumo and how you can start earning daily with the help of AI. Let's go! Mindsumo, remember the name. It's your gateway to daily income. This app connects you with major companies looking for fresh ideas. Think of it as a talent marketplace where you can showcase your skills and get rewarded. What kind of challenges are we talking about? Everything. From marketing campaigns to product ideas, social media strategies to innovative solutions. If you can think it, you can probably find a challenge on Mindsumo that fits. The best part? You get paid for every winning submission. That's right, cold hard cash deposited straight into your account. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Mindsumo is packed with resources to help you succeed. They've got tips, guidelines, and even a community forum where you can connect with other users and share strategies. It's all about collaboration and pushing each other to win. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app, create your profile, and start browsing the challenges. Your daily income journey starts now. Now let's talk about your secret weapon, ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse is about to become your new best friend. It's like having a brainstorming buddy available 24/7 to help you generate amazing ideas and craft winning submissions. Here's how it works. You feed ChatGPT prompts related to the Mindsumo challenge. Let's say the challenge is to come up with a new tagline for a sneaker company. You could ask ChatGPT, give me 10 catchy taglines for a new athletic shoe that emphasizes speed and agility. Boom! ChatGPT will hit you back with a list of creative options. But don't just copy and paste, that's lazy. Use ChatGPT's output as a springboard for your own creativity. Tweak the suggestions, combine ideas, and infuse your personality into the mix. Remember, the goal is to stand out from the crowd. ChatGPT is a tool, not a crutch. Use it wisely, and it will help you unlock a whole new level of earning potential on Mindsumo. Get ready to unleash your creativity and watch the cash flow in. Section 4 Winning Strategies. Maximize your Mindsumo earnings. Alright, let's talk strategy. You're on Mindsumo, you've got ChatGPT in your corner, now it's time to maximize those earnings. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to check the app daily for new challenges. The more you submit, the higher your chances of winning. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Challenge yourself to come up with unique angles and perspectives. Remember, companies are looking for fresh ideas, something they haven't thought of before. That's where you come in. Another pro tip, repurpose your submissions. That's right, don't let your hard work go to waste. If you have an idea that could work for multiple challenges, adapt it and submit it again. The more you leverage your work, the more opportunities you create for yourself. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay creative, and watch your daily earnings grow. Section 5, Time to Shine. Your journey to daily income starts now. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, now it's time to take action. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Download Mindsumo, fire up ChatGPT, and start exploring the challenges. Don't be afraid to dive in and get your hands dirty. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn, and the faster you'll start seeing results. This is your chance to prove yourself, to show the world what you're capable of. This is about taking control of your financial future and building the life you deserve. And the best part? You don't have to do it alone. The Mindsumo community is there to support you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Your daily income journey starts now. Section 6. Join the movement, share your success story. Imagine this, you checking your bank account, seeing those Mindsumo deposits rolling in. Feels good, right? Now imagine sharing that feeling with the world, inspiring others to take action and achieve their own financial goals. That's what this is all about. As you embark on your Mindsumo journey, I encourage you to share your experiences. Tell your friends, family, and followers about this incredible opportunity. Share your wins, your challenges, and the lessons you learn along the way. Let's create a movement of empowered individuals who are using AI to unlock their full potential. Let's show the world that anyone, regardless of background or experience, can achieve financial freedom. Your success story starts today. Are you ready to share it with the world?